10 foods that make your liver healthy. Do you know that your liver is the largest and most important organ in your body? It can be found just below your rib cage on the right side of your abdomen. But do you know what it does? The liver is responsible for breaking down and filtering your blood so that it can get rid of toxins, excess fluids, and other harmful substances. Your liver also produces enzymes that help with the synthesis of some important hormones such as bile salts, which are produced from cholesterol by the liver, erythropoietin, or EPO, a hormone involved in red blood cell formation, and growth hormone. In other words, if you want to keep your body healthy, then you should make sure that your liver stays healthy too. Fortunately, there are many foods that help to boost the health of this vital organ. In this video, we will take you through 10 foods that can help improve the function of your liver. Some of these foods may already be part of your daily diet, and some may be a new addition to daily life. Before we get into today's video, here's a product you may like. Alpiline. Introducing the powerful weight loss supplement that can help you shed those extra pounds faster than ever before. The product is formulated with natural ingredients that work together to increase your body's core temperature, which can help boost your metabolism and promote fat burning. With regular use, you'll see noticeable results and feel more confident in your body. Plus, the supplement is designed to support your overall health and wellness. Don't wait any longer to start your weight loss journey. Try the supplement today and see the difference for yourself. With the product by your side, your weight loss goals are within reach. If you are interested in Alpiline, click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to ensure you don't miss out on our latest videos. Eggs. Egg yolks may not be the only thing that you should put in your omelet, but they are a great source of vitamins and minerals. One small egg contains 6 grams of vitamin B12, which is essential for the health of the nervous system and red blood cells. The yolk contains vitamins such as vitamin A, E, and K that are essential for healthy eyes and skin. The yolk also has natural growth hormones that may help improve bone density and prevent osteoporosis. These nutrients are very important for the liver as well. Vitamin B12 is important for the health of the liver cells, while vitamin A is needed for healthy skin and eyes. Vitamin E is known to reduce liver inflammation and help with liver diseases, while vitamin K is important for healthy blood clotting. Dark chocolate. If you are wondering why eggs are included in this list, then you need to try pairing the yolks with some dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains high amounts of antioxidants that fight against harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can damage cells, but antioxidants are natural molecules that can fight against free radical molecules. Your liver is filled with hepatocytes, liver cells, so a high antioxidant intake is essential for keeping this organ healthy. Dark chocolate is one of the richest sources of antioxidants such as polyphenols, caffeine, and epicatechins. These antioxidants help to prevent liver diseases and also boost the immune system against harmful bacteria and viruses. Turmeric. Turmeric is a common kitchen spice that is known as a natural anti-inflammatory. This herb has been consumed for centuries in many parts of the world for the prevention and treatment of liver diseases. For example, turmeric is known to increase the liver's iron stores and reduce the production of bile, which is harmful to the liver. Turmeric is also a great source of curcuminoids. Curcuminoids are the yellow pigments of turmeric that give this herb its color. Studies have shown that consuming curcuminoids can boost the liver's antioxidant capacity and help to prevent liver diseases. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in many essential minerals that are good for the liver. These include manganese, chromium, selenium, and zinc. Pumpkin seeds also contain large amounts of pyridoxine. Pyridoxine is an essential vitamin in the liver and a few other vital organs. Pyridoxine is known as a liver protector that can help to prevent liver diseases. It can also be found in high amounts in milk products, but since milk is not recommended for everyone, drinking pumpkin seeds instead is a great way to improve your liver health. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most commonly consumed vegetables and is full of nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can help to keep your liver healthy. It is also high in glutathione, which is a powerful antioxidant that can prevent liver diseases. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, which can help to reduce blood sugar levels and to prevent diabetes. This is great news for those who are watching their weight, since high blood sugar can lead to complications such as liver disease. Beans and pulses. Many of the foods on this list are commonly consumed legumes or pulses. These include black beans, chickpeas, and lentils. These foods are rich in complex carbohydrates, protein, and fiber that can help to prevent liver diseases. Black beans are a rich source of fiber and are known to reduce bad cholesterol and help prevent heart disease. They are also a very good source of folate, which is known as a liver protector. Chickpeas are a great source of protein, fiber, and vitamins that can help to keep your liver healthy. They can also help to prevent diabetes and to lower blood pressure. Nuts. Many nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help to boost the liver's metabolism and help to eliminate harmful toxins from your body. Walnuts have been considered to have the highest amount of essential fatty acids, while macadamia nuts have the highest amount of monounsaturated fatty acids. Nuts are also a good source of protein and fiber that can help to keep your liver healthy. They are delicious and healthy, so you should try to include them in your diet. Olive oil. Olive oil is full of antioxidants that can boost the liver's antioxidant capacity and protect against liver diseases. It is also a great source of oleocanthal, which is a compound found only in olive oil that has been known to reduce blood pressure. There is a lot of debate about which oils are the healthiest, and olive oil is one of the most talked about. It is a healthy source of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols. Oats and other whole grain foods. Whole grain foods are a great source of fiber and vitamins that can help to keep your liver healthy. They are rich in antioxidants, manganese, and calcium that can help to prevent liver diseases and to keep your bones strong. Oats are a rich source of beta-glucans, which are soluble fibers that are known to promote healthy gut bacteria. This can help to prevent inflammation and provide a protective barrier against harmful bacteria and viruses. Fish with omega-3 fatty acids. Fish is a great source of essential fatty acids, which are needed to keep your body healthy. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been known to prevent heart disease and boost the immune system. Fish is also a great source of protein that can help to keep your body strong and healthy. It has many different types of fish, including sashimi, salmon, and tuna. Your liver is one of the most important organs in your body, so you want to make sure that it stays healthy. The foods listed in this video can help to boost the health of this organ. That's it from us today, guys. We hope you enjoyed and hope to catch you in the next one. Bye for now.